What's poppin' YouTube? This is Ariana from Ariana's Life, and in this tutorial, this will be the hair I'm using. But before we get started, I have to show y'all the shenanigans that goes on in the Rather household just about every day. Stay tuned for this one.
That I just got. Not you. I want you to get it. And hurry up, please. Oh my gosh, you're slow. I'm gonna need to take this chair now, okay? Do not touch while I am working.
Go.
There's a lot of hair around the
man. Go, you grown man.
Please go before I whoop your butt.
You know it's recording, right?
Oh my gosh, why are you recording right now? Stranger danger. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do here now, we're gonna get over here and we're gonna put this tool down here and we're just gonna, we're gonna get some nail tweezers and we're gonna apply it up. We're looking for the 3/8. The 3/8 is the big girl right here, okay? We're gonna grab the 3/8 and what we're gonna do here, we're gonna grab us a socket wrench. We're gonna beat this socket wrench right here, okay, and we're gonna put it across these bolts right here. We're gonna beat it on there because these bolts are at a different angle. We're gonna break it.
Oh my God.
We're gonna go so hard on it that we're gonna put some torque on this baby. Are you with me? Are you with me? Let's torque this thing up right now.
You are
all the way.
so dumb.
If anyone knows a better or cheaper way to do this without me bending over all the time, is feel free to comment, subscribe, hit the like button, alright? And we're just gonna keep this thing rolling.
This is what happens when you need your husband to tighten up your chair. Thank you.
Is a slave sweating machine. I'm telling you right now what we do. You know where I learned from? I learned from Uncle Al from I learned from Uncle Al from that family road trip movie with Cedric the Entertainer. You know how he was able to fix that Cadillac Escalade with some nail files? That's how I learned how to fix chairs and stuff. You know? I don't know why it breaks down every week though, but I fix it every time it breaks down.
Oh my goodness.
And we're doing this, fellows.
Oh my gosh.
You want to make sure you get in there deep and tight, all right? You might put some lube on it if you think you can't get to it, you know what I mean? And we're gonna.
What the hell is wrong with you?
We're working on the stroke of the ratchet right now.
Oh my God.
All right? Want to make sure you feel it lock in there. Make sure it's enough, okay? You just want to give it to it just enough of it, all right? To where they won't be coming back begging for more. All right?
What the hell?
They want to stay tight up
Did you just take communion?
I'm talking about the bolts
I
now.
read all this out.
No,
Your daddy got issues.
Good as new, folks. Remember, 3/8. That's our tool. Now I'm going to put this back in here because what you guys don't really realize about this tool set here, get the tool set. Got the tool set. It's a really nice tool set, but I'm going to take it back to Lowe's tomorrow. I just needed to change my brakes. So you guys know how you do it, right? So, all right, guys, thank you.
Let me tell y'all something. My husband is a straight fool. And me and the kids about peed on ourselves when he was fixing my chair. My kids play on my chair every day, which causes me to need it tightened up because the bolts get loose. And so this is what happens when I ask him to fix my stuff. He acts a straight fool, and he knew the camera was rolling. So I said, you know what? I'm leaving all this on here since you want to act retarded. So anyways, I saw this style on Instagram. I believe her name is Erica Let's Talk Hair. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's so bomb. I don't know what the style is called. I'll just call it maybe Bohemian Stitch Braids. But it looked super easy. It looked like I could get it done within, maybe 2 hours. And so I said, hey, why not? I'm always for a quick style when it comes to my kids. As you will see, Breland acts a straight fool. She acts like it's her first time getting her hair braided every time she gets her hair braided. So I need quick things for her because this is my sensitive child. And so all I'm really doing is stitch braiding the braid down, I'm adding in the curly hair in on the ends. And because I did not know where my glue was, I decided to just keep the end straight and not add the curly hair at the end, which probably worked best anyway, because that would have been just too much curly hair on her. And we're not trying to have baby girl thinking she's grown. So less is more. And did y'all see that blue? I said if she don't come on, she came home from school talking about kids told her she looked like Elsa. I said, well, yes, baby. That blue is popping. EZBraid, I promise they have the best colors ever. And it's like just enough. It's never too much. So what I did for the back, I will be doing for the front as well. Just stitch braiding and feeding in the curly hair, braiding the actual braiding hair all the way down to the ends, and leaving that as is. Child, we done made it to the front. And I'm actually following the hairstyle to the T. Everything that I saw on there is exactly what I'm doing. I didn't switch up anything. So I'm stitch braiding the front like I did the back. I'm adding in the hair, and because it was her edges, I decided to do this braid, or the two braids in right on her edges, a little bit thinner than the other ones, just because, you know, I'm an edge preserver, baby, and I believe in having edges and having them thrive. We don't want no bald spots and missing edges, because that's not cute. And so I'm following the same method that I did in the back. I'm adding in the curly hair, and I probably would say I added in 4 pieces of the curl. No, I added in 2 pieces of the curly hair, but I made it look like it was 4 pieces coming out. Hopefully that makes sense. And I'm just braiding the hair all the way down to the end. And really, this was one of the quickest styles that I've done. And it really looked like I did something, but I really didn't. It was super quick and easy. Yeah, so basically that's it for this tutorial. I will be showing near the end the mousse and the edge control that I used on her, and also how I kind of smoothed out the hair. This EZCROCHET hair is awesome because I did split the hair into twos, and it seemed like it was a little bit frizzy, but once I put the mousse on there, baby, those curls bounced back. So it definitely like will stand the test of time with Breland if I can put mousse on it and it bounces right back. So it's wonderful. I love it. And it wasn't too silky, which is what I liked. It had more of a kinky feel to it, more like a yucky kinky feel. So it wasn't too smooth and silky. And once I put the mousse on there, the curls, they just popped. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.